Hello, this is Oscar. I got a call from my sister concerning her 2000 Chevy Astro van. She said that it would start up and then immediately stall, and that she couldn't get a repair shop appointment for at least 2 weeks. So I grabbed my tools and headed over to see if I can figure out what it is in the meantime. So I scanned the van, and I got a P1626 code, which is a theft deterrent fuel enable signal not received. So I checked the ignition switch, the key, the wiring, and I traced the wires to the BCM, the body control module, or the electronic control module. And sure enough, the wire that comes from the ignition switch, the black and orange wire, was eaten through by some varmints. And as you can see, this is the result. So I fixed it by soldering the wire back together, putting some shielding on it, and I put some screen and some mesh where the steering column boot is to keep the rats from going in there. Again, issue solved. And test fired it and it runs. Go for a test drive. So, my sister's happy. This is Oscar on how I fix it.
All right, go inside and have some spaghetti.